Cloud computing. Cloud computing is the practice of using a network of remote servers hosted on the Internet to store, manage, and process data, rather than a local server or a personal computer. Cloud computing advantages are: reduced cost, speed, global scale, and reliability. Essential characteristics of cloud computing. Per NIST 800 to 145, are: on-demand service, broad access, pooled resources, elasticity, and measured service. Cloud computing service model are: software as a service, SaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, infrastructure as a service, IaaS. Software as a service, SaaS, is on-demand software is centrally hosted to be accessible by users using client via browsers. Example of SaaS is Office 365, Google Apps. Platform as a service, PaaS, is offers development tools, configuration management, deployment platforms, and migrate the app to hybrid models. Examples of PaaS are Google App Engine, Microsoft Azure. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS, is a service model that delivers computer infrastructure on an outsourced basis to support enterprise operations. Examples of IaaS are Amazon EC2, Cisco Metapod. The Cloud Security Alliance, CSA, is a not-for-profit organization that offers a controls matrix of security controls. European Union Agency for Network and Information Security, ENISA, publishes best practices papers on cloud computing. Cloud computing security concerns are: data breaches, control of data, hijacking of accounts, malware injection, data loss, insecure APIs, and insufficient due diligence. Controls for cloud security are: access and authorization control, logging and auditing, cryptographic key establishment and management, incident response.